Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have a pack of pop fantasy battlers and faces by Yota and Gotcha Games. A character art of a serious-looking guy by Hanaboshi Karen. A survey by Mirai of Nikko Gakuen to vote for your favorite default BGMs in the RPG Maker series. Based on the results, Gotcha Games is considering making a soundtrack. The voting period ends at September 20th, 2021, and the results will be announced on the September 22nd. A whole sprite base by Fruit Salad Frog. A pack of fruit and vegetable icons by SciGho. A music pack of 5 retro tracks by Catch1101. An MZ plugin by Awaya Matana that makes the window design look in the style of MV. A Tileset pack of a Rainforest jungle by Celil the Shaper. A Tileset pack of Dungeons and Woods by Willybab. And lastly, a Tileset of a collection of flowers by Grassfur. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.